A historic unboxing. Today I purchased a $199 S26 Ultra with a 5-star rating from Amazon. But you might be thinking, Fossil, it's fake. It's obviously, I mean, look at the box. Yeah, I know it's fake because it's got 16 gigs of RAM, which is more than the Samsung S26 Ultra. It's got a perforated 6.99-inch screen, which is bigger than what you get on the S26 Ultra. And somewhere here is a 68 megapixel front-facing camera. Ladies and gentlemen, the S26 Ultra for about $1,300 features a 12 megapixel front-facing camera. But guys, there is a specific spec that surpasses a godlike level of scientific innovation. If the front-facing camera, that one that's gonna be right up there, if that one's 68 megapixel, guess how good the back-facing camera must be. Y'all ain't gonna get it. 108 million HD real cameras. 5-star rating. People, I have made the deal of the century here. That is why let us together witness this historic unboxing, and we're gonna game on it later too, guys. It's got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with 7,000 milliamp hours of battery. I think you can handle a little bit of woo-wah, fam. Relax. Unboxing time. So the box is right there. It smells like Tiananmen Square. I'm serious. I'm gonna take out this, what is this? What kind of plastic is this? Oh, it's all coming out. Whoa, this is a package. Okay, let me... Oh, guys, it's heavy. Oh, yeah, that's heavy. That's a heavy phone right there. Wow, okay. This got weight. I'm gonna put it down. Ready? Listen. That's got some weight, okay, but we're gonna get there. What else do they include? A SIM tool underneath. I appreciate that, always. We also have a, wow, a screen protector. Take notes, Samsung. Take notes. A case? Guys, what is going on here? A charging brick. A charger, USB-C, I appreciate that, and wired headset. This is all the rage. Like, Drake is wearing these now, you know what I mean? Wow. So it is what it is, you know? And I want to take a closer look at this, like, okay. It's already got marks. I don't know. You guys can see all those streaks there? I mean, hey, I appreciate the thought. I appreciate it, okay? Let's get on with the main event, the phone, $199, guys. All right, so let's get this popped open. There's like a bunch of IMEI numbers. I hope you guys haven't copied those. Please do not copy those IMEI numbers. Whoa! As you can see on the back, it feels like glass. It actually feels like legit glass. Even the island. If you can see this like island, the camera island itself is glass. They actually put in like the real one. Now it's not as like foggy as the real S26 Ultra glass, but they tried, fam. They tried, and I appreciate that. The cameras themselves don't look like they're in the most pristine condition. There's like some damage all around my bezels. I don't know if the side camera is gonna capture that. There's bezel damage around, but hey, 108 million megapixel outward facing cameras, bro. Hey, we're here for it, but let me boot this on. Welcome. I appreciate that. I mean, it's got the S. Yeah, yo, we'll see you in court. Samsung should be begging you for technology. It turned off. Hello? Oh, it boots right in. It's got, yo, this is running proper Android. Let me get the Wi-Fi going. Use Wi-Fi, yes. It didn't even take me through like the regular Android setup where, you know, it asks you if you want to transfer files from your previous phone and stuff like that. Just write it. Just start using it. I'm gonna just give it all my data. Oh, I gotta put in my password. You guys can't see this. Connected. Okay, it connected. In fact, we are live. Now, guys, this display is actually, I mean, look at it. It looks pretty good. It's not a bad display by any measure. I'm just gonna make sure, are we as bright as possible? We're not even as bright as possible. Guys, this is a bright display. This is surprisingly nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and into the Play Store. Oh, we have to sign in. Oh no. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Let's sign in. Yeah, I'm trying to sign into Google. Look at this keyboard. This is not Gboard. This is not the Samsung key. Why are the keys 0.5 millimeter across? Do you guys see that? The keys are like literally 0.5 millimeter each. So I logged in and I shared my data with the CCP when it comes to my Google account, but I'm gonna go ahead and download Woowa. So let's get that like happening right off the top. Dynasty Legends 2. All right. So while that's downloading, check out this 108 megapixel, 108 million megapixel camera. But before that, oh my god, before we look at that holiness, let's look at the front facing camera. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture. I have taken a picture. This is now 68 megapixels, right? Surely they wouldn't lie to us, right? Surely. I'm tweaking, okay? Let's forget about the front-facing camera. Perhaps let's check out this back-facing camera right now. Let me get a... Oh, I shouldn't look. This is 108 million megapixels. This might actually blind me. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of... Here, let me zoom. Ooh, we got that zoom action happening. Okay, let me get that picture. Boom. Yo, this has AI in it too. Because the photo, as soon as I took that photo, it wasn't good at all. And then it came in and like smoothed out all the lines. So like there is some AI in this. It's probably got DeepSeek, to be honest. But like, hey, the back-facing camera, when it comes to, you know, 108 megapixels, hey, like let me just take a picture of this actually here on this table or the keyboard. Yeah, let's get this keyboard. So it looks so blurry, but then in a second, it like cleans. Hey yo, the camera ain't that bad. The camera is not that bad. This might actually be a better camera than the Z Flip 7. I'm not gonna lie. It ain't that bad at all. Oh wait, yo, this has no lens inside of it. So there's two real cameras. There's this thing, and then there's this that also has a real like camera thing inside. This has nothing. There's nothing inside that way. Oh, I gotta show you guys this. It's empty. It's just an empty piece of glass. There's no lens inside of it. Man, they almost got your boy, but you know we're tight with this. Now, is this grounds for a refund? I don't think so. Not yet. I'm gonna take another picture. Ooh, lots of detail. Lots of detail, actually. Yeah, wow. No. The camera isn't that bad. The camera, it ain't that bad. So I'm good with the camera. Honestly, I'm good with that. The build quality. The only weird thing is like you can see the lips. There's a bezel, right? A frame or a bezel that goes all around the screen, and it's black. But on the top, it's a very thin one. On the bottom, it's like a thicker bezel. It's way thicker than it doesn't match. It's just not matching up, the top and bottom bezels. But guys, because it's an S26 Ultra, there is in fact an S Pen. Oh. We're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Yeah. Jerry, take 2. So with the S Pen, let me see what note apps we have. Handwriting. Dude, look at that. Okay, let's do handwriting. Like the nib, guys. Even the nib. You know, it's not a terrible nib. I mean, what other phone for $200 gives you this, right? So handwriting. Wait, it doesn't have palm detection? Wait. This is just me being dumb. Put that to the side. I mean, does it not? It doesn't have palm detection. No.
There's only one thing that matters if you're a shinobi. And it isn't the number of jutsu you possess.
Oh my goodness, this might actually be a bad buy. Wait, the game has downloaded Dynasty Legends 2! Ladies and gentlemen, let's get to it. You like what I did there? Wait, now I can't get rid of this. Oh no. Because I need to put something into the S Pen slot. Oh, I just turned my phone off. Turn on, please. It's not turning on. It's on. Ooh, yo, I'm not gonna lie though, one of the redemption parts of this thing is this display. It's actually got a very nice display. It's surprisingly nice, and it's surprisingly bright. Like, right now you're seeing this top down. I have lights, like 2 lights here, 1 light here, right? Like right above me. You can still see this display. So the display obviously got a lot of investment behind it. I appreciate that. But is it heating up yet? A little bit. It's heating up here, obviously where it usually is. A little bit though. A little bit right there. There's a little bit of heat right there. We're almost there. Okay, 90. Yo, it's loading quick. There's only 1 speaker. Yeah, there's only 1 speaker on the bottom. Let's max it out. Okay, hey, yo. It's, okay, graphics are smooth. It gets pretty loud. I mean, most people will be using earbuds anyway. They included them. Longshi Ranch now. Okay, I don't know, man. Whatever. Can I start playing? Oh, we got some lore. Ladies and gentlemen, there's lore happening. Ooh, yo. Y'all getting this? Camera mode, graphics quality, low, medium, or high? Fam, we got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 maximum. We need that maximum. Confirm. Why did it recommend me low though? Why would you do that? Yo, okay, first of all, y'all see this, the graphics? This is, well, okay, that was a cutscene, but it, oh. Hey, yo, let me get some volume going. Damn. Yo, Gao Sheng's a savage. Let's get to it. Wait, I have to fight all of them? Get out of here, fam. What are you doing? We ain't no Lubu. Oh, shoot. Okay, we gotta fight. All right, let's see what all right, we got a little bit of lag. Not too shabby. Yo, this is Dynasty Warriors, isn't it? Okay, there's a lot of lag. Yo, stop it. They're done, man. They're done. Oh, it's the village head, guys. Lore. Guys, pay attention now. Y'all done, bro. Y'all messed up with the wrong guy, bro. I'm sorry. Bro, I'm about to open a shawarma shop and just start feeding these kebabs, man. Oh, wait. Let me get some of that. Oh. Yo, honestly, fam. All right, I'm too immersed. The point is, this can give you a very immersive experience. It's got that behind it. So the game works, but it did lag. And you saw how it recommended me the lowest settings, even though we were playing on the highest. Perhaps that's an indication that this doesn't have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Let's find out. First of all, you see there's some RAM usage. We're not even using up the whole RAM. Let's get right into it. System, we got Android 12 on here. With a 2022 was the last security patch. Oh yeah, the CCP knows who I am now. It's over. Guys, why? I thought I had a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. What the? MediaTek in my phone? Oh, heck no. Oh, this is worse than Exynos. Get this garbage out of it. They lied. They lied to me. Amazon allowed. I'm taking Amazon to court. In fact, everybody is going to court at this point. We have a MediaTek MT6769 chip inside of this. 8 cores. A little bit of respect there. Does it have 7,000 milliamp hours? Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we do have, in fact, 7,000 milliamp hours in this phone. So the battery is right. They got that right. Can I see my camera? So let's look at the real. So we have a 12 megapixel back. They lied to me. I can't believe the CCP would lie to me. How could I can't believe Amazon, Jeff Bezos lied to me. 12 megapixel back-facing camera and an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The S26, or no, not the S, just the 26 Ultra from Amazon. I'm gonna have this link down below in case you want to, burn some of your own cash, if you prefer that. Do I recommend buying this? Absolutely not. I hope you guys had a good watch. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one though. Until then, get some rest.